Alright, let's go on to step 2. Step 2 involves the top corners. Now remember that the top corners have 3 faces on each one of the 4 top corners. We're going to do front left top, front right top, left posterior top, and posterior right top. Okay, so these are the 4 cubes that we're interested in for step 2, as listed on the diagram here. The purpose here is to position and orient the 4 cubes that belong on the corners of the T face and maintain the previously placed top edge cubes, which we completed in step 1. Top edge cubes will be moved temporarily during moves, but will be properly returned. For each of the 4 cubes that belong in one of the top corner positions, do the following 6 steps, 2A through 2F. Again, if you're lucky, some of the top corner cubes will be correctly positioned and oriented when you start, and you will have to do these steps fewer than 4 times. That is not the case on this particular cube. All 4 of the cubes appear to be in the wrong place and need positioning and orienting. So, let us begin. 2A. Locate a top corner cube, that is, one corner cube that belongs in a top corner position that is not currently correctly positioned and oriented. This is the desired cube. If the desired cube is correctly positioned but incorrectly oriented, go to step 2E. Alright, let's just find one here. Okay, I want to work on this corner right here. The cube that belongs here is going to be white on one side, green on the other, and red on the other. So I need a white, green, and red cube. Where is it? Oh, here it is right here. As you can see, it's white, green, and red. And it belongs over here on this corner at the intersection of the white, green, and red faces. So this is the desired cube, and this is the desired position. 2B. If the desired cube is currently on the T face, it is, do the following sequence. Hold the cube so that the desired cube is in the FRT position. That's front right top. So let's put this cube in the front right top position. So right here. And then move FRT to bottom front left by doing R minus B minus R plus. R minus B minus R plus. Now the cube that we're after should be down here. There it is right there. It belongs, remember we're trying to put it here at the intersection of white, green, and red. So it's right here, and it belongs up here. Okay, move on to step 2C. Move the desired cube, which is now on the B face, under the desired top corner position by rotating the B face. Well, in this case, it's already there. It's right underneath where we want it to go. We want it to be here on the front right top. It's on the bottom right, front right bottom. So it's right here. Do the following sequence of moves to correctly position the desired top corner cube. R minus B minus R plus. R minus B minus R plus. Now we've moved that white, green, and red cube up to the proper position on the corner, and by chance, we had a 1 in 3 chance, but by chance it's properly oriented. The white is on top, the green is on the green side, and the red is on the red side. So we can move on. We've finished one of the 4 cubes. So let's go to the next one. White, red, and yellow. Where's the white, red, and yellow? Okay, here it is way over here. So once again, I have to move this one to the bottom face before I can work with it. So I go back to step 2B and put that cube, the desired cube is now white, yellow, and red, put it in the front right top position, right up here, and do R minus B minus R plus. R minus B minus R plus. Now there's the desired cube right here, and it belongs right over here. Okay? Now you notice something. There's a white cube up here now where it was, but it's not in the right place because it doesn't match on the sides. So we'll get to that one later. Right now we're just focused on the white, yellow, and red cube. And the white, yellow, and red cube goes over here. So let's put it underneath where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to go from here up to here. So we move the desired cube, which is now in the B face, under the desired top corner position by rotating the B face, which is what we did. And then we move it to the top. R minus, B minus, R plus. R minus, B minus, R plus. Well, once again we got lucky, and it's properly oriented. So now 2 of the 4 are done, and we can move on to the third one. The third one should be white, yellow, and orange. Where is the white, yellow, and orange cube? There it is right there. So this one needs to go over here, but first I need to drop it to the bottom face. So I go back here to the, if the desired cube is currently on the top face, do the following sequence, holding it in the position FRT. So here it is in the front right top, right here. I do R minus, B minus, R plus, and now here it is right here, and it goes up here, so I'm ready to move on with the next step, which is R minus, B minus, R plus. Okay, now let's look carefully. This cube, the white, orange, and yellow cube, is in the right position now. It goes at the intersection of the white face, the yellow face, and the orange face. So it's right where it should be, but it needs to be twisted or oriented. And it appears that it needs to be twisted clockwise, so that the white is on top, the orange is on this side, and the yellow is on this side. So we go to step 2E, which says, if the FRT cube is incorrectly oriented, do one of the following alternative sequences. And there's 2 sequences here, one for orienting it clockwise, and the other for orienting it anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. We choose the one for clockwise, which says F plus, B2, 1, 2, F minus, R minus, B2, 1, 2, R plus. Now you notice that the white, yellow, and orange cube is not only in the right position, but it's correctly oriented, because this side matches the center, this side matches the center, and this side matches the center. 3 of the 4 are done, so we got one more to do. And it should be white, orange, and green. And there is the little devil right there. So it's all ready to move up here, so I just need to move front right top. No, I don't need to move it to the bottom, so I can go straight to step 2D. Move BFR to FRT. So we will go R minus, B minus, and R plus. And by luck we've got it in the right place and properly oriented. So that would conclude step 2. Now you'll notice that when you finish step 2, the entire top face will be one solid color. But not only that, the sides of those top cubes will match the center. So you'll have a T on each face. And that's how you can tell that you've successfully completed step 2. Now we'll move on to step 3.